And how has the continued Thai flood affected the stock markets? Here to talk with us is คุณนันทวัฒน์ช่วยส่ง the Senior Vice President of Retail Equities Department of CAMB Securities Thailand. Good afternoon ครับคุณนันทวัฒน์
สวัสดีครับคุณนันทวัฒน์
Good afternoon ครับ
คุณนันทวัฒน์ครับ The flood situation might remove 3 full percentage points of the Thai gross domestic product, and how is slowing growth going to affect the Thai stock market?
I think the effect to the Thai stock market is in the short term, maybe confidence of the investor maybe slow down according to the affected of the flood. Because I think the investor in the stock market mostly is risk people, and then I think it will have very little impact except the owner of the business. For example, for the investor in the Ayutthaya, in the Rojana, industrial estate, their performance will be slowed down because the fourth quarter and third quarter, the operation will be shut down due to the flood. But for the local investor, I think right now they still wait and see because they are preparing themselves against the flood in Bangkok and surrounding area. For example, Nonthaburi and Pathum Thani and other provinces that the floodway go through. So this will slow down the short-term investor to invest in the stock market. But for the medium term, I mean in the first quarter of 2012, I think the government will implement some policy, for example, tax policy to the flood-affected business and individual. So I think this measure will encourage investors to reinvest again because the government have to rebuild the confidence of people who has affected from the flood.
Right.
And then they have to rebuild the communication and infrastructure. So this will encourage the spending of the people and government. So I think in the first quarter, maybe the market will be better.
What about the recent international factor that has affected the rise of Asian stocks this morning? Italy has a new leadership already. And how do you view this situation to be of impact to the Thai stocks?
I think short term, the Thai market respond in a positive. So right now, the market is increased by 15% to 986, surpassed the resistance barrier at 985. But the trading value today is just 13.5 billion. So it means that right now people not yet very confident because when Thai market is in the bullish sentiment, the trading volume should higher than 20 billion for the first session. But I think the Italy and the euro problem not yet short term. I think it takes some time. It doesn't mean that when they change the leader, it can solve the problem because the problem is very big. So I think it will take some time. But for the short term, I think investors worldwide will use this as a positive news that the new Prime Minister of Italy maybe implement new policy to solve the economic problem, especially debt crisis in the Eurozone.
And what kind of measures does the Yingluck government, what kind of measures should they introduce to revitalize investor confidence of the Thai stock market?
I think this problem maybe I pass, but I think in terms of people who are affected from the flood and for business and individual, I think they need some tax plan, tax shield to reduce or exempt business tax and personal income tax to those people who are affected from the flood. And then in terms of infrastructure, I think the government must spend some money to rebuild the infrastructure so that logistics and everything can go on as normal as soon as possible.
Okay, and what would be the investment strategy that you could propose right now? We've seen some numbers this morning that for the SET, people should buy below 900 and sell above 1,050. Is that the case?
Yes. I think for short term should be the trading speculation on the blue chip or big cap stock because this kind of stock it has strong fundamental and some company have affected from the flood, but most of the companies still not get any effect from the flood that much. For example, like PTT and Siam Cement, okay, the flood may slow down the sale in the short term, but I think in the first quarter, the demand for cement and other raw material for construction will be very huge amount. And then for the energy stock, for example, PTT, some gas station or fuel station in the flood area may be shut down. But as soon as the
floods are over,
I think everybody may drive the car again. So demand for the oil and other energy will resume.
I see, Kun Nantawan. Thank you for joining us today.
Okay.
thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.